Hey guys, this is Harsh and you're watching Ready Steady Eat. Now Indians, are extremely fond of food. So all our streets all over India are lined with lovely, delicious food selling kiosks. And one of the most popular foods that we have is something known as the Panipuri. I'm going to show you a variation of how to prepare this Panipuri and how to serve it in a very nice, fashionable manner. So there are 3 stages to making the Pani Puri. First, you have the puris which are ready-made. I'm not going to show you how to make those. The most important ingredient is the pani or the pudina pani, which I'm going to show you how to make, the tamarind chutney, and the filling for the puris. So these are the 3 different things that are required to make and assemble the Pani Puri. Start by adding the water. Depending upon the thickness of the Pani Puri ka pani that you want, you add that much water. I've taken about 750 ml, to which you add all the coriander. You can use the stalks as well, as long as they are tender. Don't take the hard stalks of the coriander. It won't taste good. Add the mint leaves. Now this is all as per taste. So depending upon what kind of taste you guys like. 2 green chilli paste, 1 teaspoon of kala namak, juice of 1 lime. And now I'm going to grind this. I think this is ready now. So let's get it out. And I'm going to use a sieve and pass it through the sieve so that all the pulp is left out. So we are done now. And I'm going to put this in another bowl and keep it aside. And I'll show you how to make the tamarind chutney. So let's get to the next part of making the Pani Puris. That is the tamarind chutney or the meetha chutney. For that, like I mentioned, you need dates and you need the imli or the tamarind. You need to de-seed them, wash them, clean it up and boil them. And once boiled, this is how it will end up looking. Already mix the 2 together and this is how it will look. We'll put this into our grinder. It's already in a semi-pulp form. To this we'll add the jeera powder, the chilli powder, the rock salt, salt to taste. If you find that it has become too thick, you can add some water to it just to thin it down. But usually tamarind chutney, Pani Puri is always a little thicker. So we'll give it a good mix now. So your tamarind chutney is also ready. This is the kind of consistency that we are looking at. So now let's do the mixture of the puris. For that, I simply add the boiled chana, the boiled sprouted moong. Now what I wanted you to take a look at is the tails of the moong. It shouldn't be too much. That's all that we want. And the diced potatoes. To this, add the Amchur powder and give it a good mix. So now we are ready. Bring this all together. This is the normal way that you would serve Pani Puris. Obviously, break open the puris, add some of the filling, add the pani and add the tamarind chutney. But today, I'm going to show you another way, some other variation. What I showed you was just the basic version of Pani Puris. Now, this is very difficult to be served in a large gathering or a large party if you're having one at home. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to use these small little cups that you see here. And we're going to take 6 of these. I've also got a simpler variation for the pani where I'm going to mix the water with some orange juice. So it gives you a nice fresh orange flavor. The proportions are about 1/3 of the orange juice, 2/3 of the water. So I'm just going to mix this with some orange juice. If required, I'm going to be putting some tamarind chutney to this. I'll show you both ways. What I need to do is fill up the puris with either the moong, chana and the potato mix. And these you need to keep ready just before you start serving to the guests. Now a word of caution, in humid weather like in Bombay, the puris can tend to become soggy. So it's best to pop these into the oven for just about a couple of minutes. Right, so I've done 4 of these. And in the others, I'm just going to put the fried boondi. Just the boondi, that's all. None of the other mix. Now once done, we'll fill these little cups with our orange flavored pani. So I have filled 3 with the orange and pudina pani and the balance 3 with the regular green pudina pani. You can add a little bit of tamarind chutney to both. That's as per taste. And I'm going to place these Pani Puris on top of the small cups. So either you can tip the little glass into the puri and pop them in your mouth. Absolutely delicious. Or you don't even need to do that. You can simply eat a puri on its own and follow it with a shot of the pani. All the flavors, all the yumminess that you get on the streets right in your mouth. Just perfect. So if you've enjoyed my recipe today of a delicious roadside chaat pani puri, please do tell me what you think about it if you made it at home. Leave me back your comments. Don't forget to press the like button and also subscribe to my channel Ready Steady Eat so you get updates